This is a presentation on the Rothenberger R750 sewer machine. The R750 is extremely compact, lightweight, which makes it highly portable. And as you can see, takes up very little space inside your vehicle. The R750 is a sectional sewer machine that weighs only 30 kilos. This makes it easy to carry around. Carrying the R750 is simple. Simply lock the clutch lever into position and away you go. Where possible, it's even easier to wheel the machine around. You just turn around the handle and wheel it on its rear wheels. The frame is made from die-cast aluminium, which is lightweight, extremely strong, and distortion resistant. The R750 has two side covers that cover the motor and all of the moving parts. This keeps the machine very quiet. And apart from a couple of grease points, the machine is virtually maintenance free. This sewer machine has a whopping 1.23 horsepower induction motor that maintains a rated speed of 460 revs per minute. This outperforms any of its competitors. This powerful motor is mounted to the frame, which allows no loss of torque through movement, and as you can see is insulated between the frame and the motor to prevent possible electrocution. Non-slip flat tooth transmission along with minimal distance between pulleys allows for maximum torque. All of the wearing parts for the R750 are made of solid gauge steel, which will make this machine very profitable for many years. Another advantage to the Rothenberger R750 sewer machine, it has direct take-up of 7/8 and 1 1/4 cable without having to change your jaws. If you need to run a 5/8 cable, there is an adapter available to do so. The R750 sewer machine only requires one person to operate. First, plug your machine in. This sewer machine has a double insulated switch that makes electrocution impossible. The switch also drives the machine in forward or reverse. The next step to operating your sewer machine is to attach the lightweight heavy-duty guide hose. You are now ready to insert your first cable. Remember, female end first. The heavy-duty cables are designed to cope with this machine's extra power and are wound on the ends rather than spot welded. The red lock ring transfers more torque to the end of the cables where it is needed and also helps prevent kinking. Attach your desired heavy-duty head to the strong and safe quick lock coupling. Always follow the safety precautions that come with the machine and wear the studded glove provided. It is recommended that the machine is positioned 50 to 80 centimeters from the start of a pipe. The motor should always be running forward unless it gets stuck and needs to be reversed out. This is because the cables are wound clockwise and will stiffen when it hits the blockage to give it more torque. Once you have dragged out your entire cable, attach it to the pointed pin and pull out your second cable and drive it into the machine. The R750 has an instant action clutch which keeps this machine very safe and helps prevent kinking cables. The cables connect using the strong quick lock couplings. Now they are connected, continue driving your cable down the pipe. The Rothenberger R750 is capable of clearing up to 80 metres with a 1 1/4 cable and can do up to 200mm pipes. Once you have cleared your blockage, you're ready to start dragging your cables back in. Detach your cable by inserting the separating key into the side boring. Now attach your first cable to the pointed tang on the bottom plate and remove your second cable from the machine. It is recommended when inserting or removing the cable to use a motion called the working arc. This will remove roots on the way in and out of a pipe. Once you have pulled your last cable in, simply switch off the machine. Remove your head, inserting the separating key into the side boring. It is a good idea to connect your cables when inserting them back into the basket. Wash cables and spray with Rowanol. Cables are now packed away, ready to be reused. Last but not least, detach your guide hose and pack away your machine. There is also a transporter available to make manoeuvrability very easy. The R750 kit comes complete with 5 heavy-duty 15-foot cables, guide hose, a toolbox, Rowan spray, funnel retriever drill, straight drill, bulb head drill, hook retriever drill, shark tooth cutter, separating key, and studded guide glove.